It's funny.
Alrighty, so I had the video idea of, can my science major friend explain the science experiment? Okay, so we're gonna be doing just little mini harmless experiments, and we're gonna see, or he's gonna be able to tell us the explanation. The thing is, I don't know the explanation, so technically he can't be wrong. I'll believe whatever he says. You want goggles or glasses?
I take the glasses.
Alrighty, goggles are mine. This first experiment, well,
Coats.
I feel like I look like the Minions.
Yeah.
Alright, this first experiment, we're gonna need a plate, a lighter,
Fire.
some gum, but just the wrappers, and some matches, okay? I know this is for safety purposes, but I feel like I look cuter with them on my head than as opposed to actually protecting me. So I'm gonna keep them up here. At least the top of my head will be protected. Okay, so we're gonna get one of these. Hopefully this works. I got all of these science experiments from YouTube. So if none of them work, so we're gonna take, did you already, oh, he already chewed one. So we have the wrapper, we have a match. What we're gonna do is wrap it like this.
Okay.
This better work.
I don't think I've ever seen this experiment.
Me neither. I just saw the end result on someone's channel. There's fire involved, but I think we'll be fine. I don't think these drapes are flammable. All right, so we're gonna do just like that, okay? Then we're gonna place it at the base of this.
Okay.
Okay. Here comes the fire. Okay, ready? See if this works. Okay, goggles on.
Yeah,
All right,
they're on.
ready? Ready?
Juice. Oh, there you go. So,
Something's supposed to happen. Hold on.
is this supposed to be like a little torch? Oh. Oh. That's kind of cool.
That's so cool. Let's do that one more time. You know what would be fun if I tried guessing what it was? I have no knowledge of this, and I did not.
You should try to do the guess first, and then
That's what I'm saying. Like,
I'll say my guess.
I did not pay attention much in chemistry and biology once they started introducing math into the equation. So, like, yeah. Okay, well, it has to do obviously something with the wrapper, because I'm thinking like you light matches sometimes. Like I think people do that. So it can't be that. It's got to be something with this.
Careful. Be careful.
It's gonna burn. Ah, shit. Love the smell of smoke in the morning.
I don't.
My scientific hypothesis is that, what if, like, okay, when you strike the match, right? So the little, like, the black part of the match, right?
Yeah.
The black part of the match, that's what causes the flame. So I'm guessing that by wrapping it in a wrapper, you're creating like a tight enclosed space. So when you're lighting it and it lights inside, it has nowhere to go but to.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Is it?
Explain it scientifically though, because I think I used a lot of like light terminology.
Hoogly boogly. I mean, I mean, yeah, you're lighting up the the thing that lights up. I don't know what to say because it's called.
Yeah.
Right, it's flammable, blah blah blah. But since you're wrapping in the gum wrapper, the heat of the lighter obviously causing it to light. And it's burning, but the gas has got nowhere to go, so the pressure builds up until it shoots wherever its weakest.
Yeah. That's
So
well, that was science experiment number 1. For this next experiment, we're gonna need a glass plate, a candle, and a lighter. Okay?
Okay.
So we got that. We're gonna light it.
All right.
Okay. I don't know if it's supposed to take this long. Right, we got flame, we got flame. Now for this next experiment, we're gonna need the lights to be off. Ready?
See.
Okay. All right, ready? Now, again, let's see if I do this right.
Oh, we're trying to
Yeah.
the smoke back on?
Yeah, when you blow out the
Oh.
candle and there's a smoke trail, you light the smoke trail and it shoots a flame back. See if we can do it again. Dude, that looks so cool. All right, lights on.
Sorry, I forgot to be in camera.
I'm gonna guess Because immediately my brain thought like how water like carries, what is it? Carries sound. So something in the smoke carries the flame. Like that's how I'm like, that's how I'm piecing it together. Like I know there's no water involved, but like certain, I'm thinking the certain elements or whatever carry certain things. Like again, how water carries sound. So something in the smoke has to carry this, because smoke isn't flammable. That's the thing though. Like you could have smoke and if you lit a flame or whatever, I don't think nothing would happen. I don't think. But in this case, yeah, that's my guess. Something in the smoke is able to carry the flame to it. I just don't know what. That's as far as my brain can go.
I mean, yeah, I was thinking the same thing, pretty similar. I'm thinking since the smoke was just from the like recently extinguished flame, it's still pretty hot. And then you can also think of like the ashes, like the little mini microscopic, I guess you want to say, like particles or ashes of the wick are probably floating up with the smoke. So when you put the fire back on it, it kind of reignites it, like a little chain reaction back down to the wick.
That's pretty cool though.
That's
like,
what I'm thinking.
Nevertheless, it's pretty cool. All right. I could do that experiment forever, to be honest. Like that will keep me busy for hours. Okay, next experiment. Next experiment. This is giving me marks. What are you talking about?
I'm fake.
Oh my god. The next experiment, we're gonna use a plate, some water, and some cut out flowers, question mark, with 4 petals. We're gonna fold the petals inward. Basically, it's like a flower that hasn't bloomed yet. What we're gonna do, and yes, I put too much water. Well, luckily we have. Then we're gonna put our flowers, float them like, oh, did I do it right?
Is it just gonna
Yeah, look, and then they bloom.
That's cute.
Can you guys see that? Slowly but surely he's going. Slowly but surely he's going.
That's
So
cool.
Yeah, well, when you water a plant, it blooms. I'm just kidding. No. Well, what I want to assume is that water makes anything heavier. So whenever the paper is absorbing the water, it's weighing the other petals down. Like as the water's going up to the paper, it's like making it fall down.
Okay. I say the same thing. Well, to add to that, just probably like how anytime paper gets wet, it always softens up the fibers and makes it easier to, tear. Stuff like that. It's probably that plus the weight thing, since it's softer, the way it just.
All right. Well.
Can't hold its shape anymore.
All right. That was
Pretty
cute.
Sweet.
For our next experiment, we are going to need glass, a toothpick, and a fork and a spoon. So you are gonna put the fork like that. Then you're gonna get the toothpick, and then you're gonna get the toothpick, put it through. Let's see if I can do this.
Yeah.
Almost got it. Okay, I can't move the table. I got it!
That's
Dude!
Cool. Look at that.
Look at that! Oh, dude. Like what, dude? What? I would have thought that there's a string.
This is a classic.
That out. Oops, excuse the paper and the flowers, but what the hell, dude? That's not supposed to be happening. Like even when I was placing it, I could feel like that it wasn't gonna fall. But how? Because it's obviously heavier on this side. That's what's blowing my mind. And there's nothing holding it down on this side. Maybe what I'm gonna start guessing already is that the weight of these on the side is helping. But that's not right. I don't like this. This isn't supposed to be happening. You guys see that? Where's my dad? I want to show him this experiment. I don't know. I saw it on YouTube. It's physics, apparently.
You didn't think it would work?
The center of gravity is freaking crazy.
But-
Like, obviously, this is heavier, right? So, that's crazy.
It really is holding on.
Yeah, look. You just gotta find the center of gravity.
Oh,
Oh,
I know what it is. So you just gotta find the center of gravity of the toothpick.
He didn't know center of gravity until I said it.
El centro de la gravitación.
El barrio de para dentro de.
De los frijoles.
Yeah, so I think there's two different types of forces happening here. The first one is the one that we're all thinking of, the normal weight of the end of this toothpick. You think it's just pushing it down, and it should just like tip it all over. The spoon and fork are somehow making it go this way, but how? What I'm thinking is called the rotational force, which is called torque. So see how like the prongs of the fork are wedged into the toothpick, it wants to twist this way, right? Like you were saying.
Yeah.
So since this thing's so long, it's kind of passing the center of gravity, so it's going this way. Pivot
think
of the
I
toothpick
get
go
it.
downward.
If the fork and the spoon were shorter,
It wouldn't
this
work.
wouldn't work. Again, apologies for the quality change. My iPhone ran out of storage. I haven't been editing my videos, and it ran out of storage, so I can't record on my iPhone. But no, yeah, this was really fun. I just wish I kind of had better experiments. If this video does well, I'll work on better experiments. I just wanted something. I like the idea. It popped in my head, so. Anyways, I had fun, a lot of fun. Thanks for watching with us. If you're into science or whatever and you have other experiments I should try, feel free to let me know.
I forgot what it was.
Anyways, I'll see you guys for the next experiment.